Hello, traders, and welcome to the market opening preview, April 20th, 2015, on a Monday as we start a new week of Forex trading. Traders, great to be with you. Coming to you live from Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue, sunny skies, hot and white sandy beaches. What a beautiful day it is outside today. Traders, remember this is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Alright, traders, we're going to go over 6 currency pairs. Got some trade plans for you and a little bit of data to talk about. Not much on the news front today. Just came in over the wire that Japan and Okinawa just had a 6.6 earthquake, and they have issued a tsunami warning. So watch your yen pairs. Watch your yen pairs. Traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator for the market opening preview series every single trading day before the London Open. Traders, I started trading in 2006 and 2008. I retired from a wonderful career at the Fire Rescue Department out of the great state of Florida. 9 days later, came to Thailand for a 3-month holiday. Well, it's 2015. Guess what, traders? I'm still here. Still here, and don't look like I'm going anywhere. So I think I'll just hang out a little bit longer. And it is awesome as far as time zone goes, because I can actually look at all 3 sessions: Asia, London, and New York. Absolutely wonderful. Traders, I do trade the Forex market every single trading day. I'm a very active trader, and I just love what I do, actually. And yes, I do lose trades. I lost 2 last week. So yes, I do lose trades. Sometimes the market just doesn't want to do what I want it to do, and that's okay. All right, that's enough about me. Let's get the legal stuff out of the way. This is our risk disclaimer. Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex market. Traders, most of all, please do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Okay, over to news and commentary. Like I was talking about, just came out over the wire about 5 minutes ago that Okinawa, Japan had an earthquake, 6.8 on the Richter scale, and they have issued a tsunami warning. Just watch your yen pairs as that data continues to come out. Like I said, it just came out within the last 5 minutes. Commentary. Chart's pretty interesting. Believe it or not, we have a range chart, and most of the charts are break of trend lines. Some of these pairs are at some really weird positions. There was some gaps on the Aussie pairs over the weekend. However, the Aussie dollar was filled and the Euro Aussie was not filled, and you'll see that in just a second. So let's get started. These are the 60-minute Forex charts to review, and as usual, we will start with the Euro dollar. Traders, I know you're saying, why am I not buying this? This is in an uptrend. You're correct. This 1-hour chart is in an uptrend, but if you look at a daily chart, my friends, it is in a serious downtrend. And the other issue is we're at resistance. So we know we sell at resistance and we buy at support. So I want this to break this trend line at 1.0785, and we want to take this all the way down to support at 1.0653. So nice trade. The only thing I'd be concerned about is that 200 exponential moving average at 1.0722, and hopefully it'll break right through there and just keep on going. And if it doesn't make a difference. There'll be plenty of pips in profit to get break even. Nice little trade on the euro dollar if it works. All right, let's move over to the pound dollar. I put a resistance line on here because this resistance line is the same resistance line. If you went to the daily chart and took a look at it, it's basically at resistance on the daily also. Again, this is a trend line break. You know, we're up at resistance. If this moves up to the resistance line, that's great. We'll sell it from there. But the trade plan is, you know what? Let's break this little trend line thing here, and let's take this down at 1.4950 or above, and we'll get out at 1.4830. So there's plenty of pips there to get break even. There's plenty of pips there to make some nice little profit on the pound dollar. But as you know, the pound usually does not give you a retrace or a second shot to get in the trade. So you have to watch that. All right, let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. The Aussie dollar is really in a crazy situation here. It's in a range. I mean, this is really a range. It's not trending. You can see that the gap has been filled. It's at resistance. So we're looking to sell this. We just want to sell this at 0.7798. And we'll take profit at 0.7696. Nice little trade there. Plenty of pips to be made. The other thing is, look at that wide open space. Once we get past the bottom of that trend line, it is wide open to the 200 exponential moving average. This is a very nice little trade right here, traders. Hopefully, price will come to us and give us our entry. Here's the Euro Aussie. I put on the chart there where you can see where I put gap. The gap has not been filled yet. Gaps get filled 99.9% of the time, and it doesn't necessarily have to be today. Very simple trade plan. Again, another trend line break at 1.3817. Take profit at 1.3724. Very easy trade plan on this chart. There's not a lot to do here. The pair is bearish. So other than the ugly, other than the daily chart being ugly, this is still bearish, and we just want to continue to take this to the downside. Let's head on over to the Euro Yen. I don't know what happened to the Euro Yen. Look at this mess. Yeah, this is ugly, okay? I mean, I wish I could type on the middle of this chart, no trade zone. The only thing you want to do here is sell it. So it's either going to come back up to resistance, and we'll sell it from there, or it's going to break the 70 pip range, hopefully getting through the 200. Look at how this loves sitting at that 200 exponential moving average, and we'll take it down at, if it breaks it at that 127.71 area, and then we'll just take it down to the next area of support. I didn't take profit area because it depends where you enter the trade at. But right here is not a place to enter this trade. This has to show us some serious direction here, like some engulfing candles or something. We have to get something more than we have at what we're looking at. So we need something to happen there. All right, moving right along. This is the New Zealand dollar. Very simple trade plan. You can see I put a resistance line on there. Again, it's another trend line break trade at 0.7677. We want to sell this, and we'll take profit at the 200 exponential moving average at 0.7575. Really easy trade plan on this one. Really the only hard one is that Euro Yen with that nasty range. Other than that, these other trade plans are really pretty set forward on what's going on. As far as data goes today, there's only medium and low impact data. There's no high impact news events today. And just to go over the indices, to let you know, everybody was in the red. The US and the Eurozone, all their indices were in the red on Friday at the close of the New York session. So that's just a little extra tidbit that I forgot to tell you about before. And that is what is going on, my friends, on a Monday. On behalf of myself, William Gilday, and our great friends at FXCL Excellence in Trading, I thank you for joining me on this Monday for the Market Opening Preview Series. I wish you a great trading day. Grab those profits, enjoy it, and enjoy trading. Traders, till next time, which will be 24 hours from now, we'll see you then. Take care and have a great trading day. So long, traders. Bye-bye.